Hi, and welcome to Anmaree's Workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and I like to make stuff. And this is my September Makes video. Now, I fear this is going to be one of the shortest makes videos that I'm ever going to make because I hardly have anything to show for all the things I made. So first of all, the month started with Project Dress a Girl. So I know if you watch this channel, you've seen the 18 dresses that I made. I don't have any of them. They have flown off to Mari at Mari Sews Curves, where she has distributed them to girls who need the dresses. I will include a video of those dresses right here. After doing the Dress a Girl Around the World dresses, I had some scraps left with some Ankara fabric that was really pretty, and I will show you what I made with the scraps left off from those dresses. I covered my small ironing board with the Ankara left over from the dress that I'll include in this picture, and then I covered my big ironing board with this fabric. I just absolutely love this fabric, and as much as it had all the colors that I have in my crinolines on the wall over there, it was not enough to make a skirt, but it was enough to cover these ironing boards. With the rest of the scraps, I made pot holders for Christmas. That will come out on in my Vlogmas, the directions on how to make that, and oven mitts. All right, so once again, that will come out during Vlogmas. And as you know, I finished my quilt that was on my 9 makes, and it's all bagged up in one of my Christmas bags. I made 15 of these Christmas bags that I'm going to use to put gifts to people I really, really like and really, really love. And the inside of the bags have quilting fabric, so using up more scraps. I will include pictures of my beautiful quilt over here. Thank y'all so much. It took me so long to get it done, but I got it done. So it's all packed up and ready to go to America. And the very last thing that I made, I'm not going to model it because it was made for someone else. It's not really my size. This is a reversible dress. I will find out the pattern and give it to you. So it's taffeta on one side, it has pockets, it's a wrap skirt, and it's got Ankara on the other. And I made it as a hostess skirt for my daughter. I feel that they can wear a bodysuit or some kind of black velvet thing during the holidays, and they can scoot around as they're entertaining their friends and go out that night in this. During the day, they can be in this, but I think they'll love it. Now, each skirt is hemmed separately so that it gives the skirt more body. And I will include one picture of the one I made for myself, maybe last year over here. And I will find that pattern number for you all. All right, guys, that's it. It was a lot of fun. A lot of work, a lot of ability and time to create. I'm having a really good time. I've always been frustrated by not being able to make the things I want to make. And I feel like I'm getting them out of me, and then more ideas can flood in. But that's all she wrote. The Anatomy of a Quilt video will come out in 2 weeks. The Ogden cami jumpsuit will come in next week. I did not include it in this month's makes because I made it in August, and then I made the latest one in October, so they didn't qualify for September. But you'll see that next week Wednesday. This week Wednesday was the makes. Next week's Wednesday is the Ogden Camisole, and the week after that is Anatomy of a Quilt. Whew. But I gotta get all this stuff done because I'm going on vacation. All right.